What?
Wait lang.
Ay, Jay.
We're doing Easter eggs.
Okay, ready? Set. Go! Go find the...
I see an egg. Jake, me too.
Sige lang, kunin mo na. Kasi baka kainin ng mga aso.
Look at the box. Look at the box.
Okay guys, wala sobrang dami ng eggs. Relax lang kayo. Ace! Ace! Pero may isa, Jade. Ayan. Kaya nga. Ace! 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 Ayan the eggs! Ace! Ace!
I found something, Ace. This is for Ace.
Tingin ka kay Hey Hey. Tingin ka kay Hey Hey. Eh! Tingnan mo si Hey Hey. Okay. Patingin, patingin. Uy, ang dami nga niya na. Uy, ikaw din ang dami niya na. Uy, grabe, sobrang dami na.
Big egg here. I made a big egg.
Ayan oh, big egg oh.
Oh, pa-participate
Big
ako.
egg.
Nagmamasahe na sa akin.
Achilles oh.
I got one.
And then, wait lang, o dyan muna kayo. Ba't yung pinagtatawanan yung anak ko, ha? Jade, lapit ka dito. Jade, yan, yan, yan.
My favorite color combo.
Really? Anong color yan?
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way.
Hindi sila takot kay Ate May.
Ace, umalis ka dyan.
Oh, wait, one more. Okay.
Put it.
You wanna put it down?
Hindi ko pa na ano eh, kakalipot yan. Dali lang.
Agad mo pasok ang gate.
Ba't ka lumolobo?
I'm a wee wee grub.
Nababasa si ate. Be careful ha, be careful. It's the katol. It's the katol. It's for the mosquitoes. Cross.
Kaya pala sa gym ka na nangihilig.
Wala talagang mangyayari. Pwede rin sila.
Sabi niya, Mami, ano bang ginagawa mo?
2 days ka na. Ay, 2 times ka na. Wala. Sugar yun lang. Gusto mo ko yun. Si Balot kasi ayaw na sila ng mga malalaki.
Ready? Yeah. Sige, yan. Okay lang.
Tanaw si Ace. Bye-bye. I cannot.
It's okay. Wait lang.
This is all of us class today. So, no cell phones.
Ay, okay. Sorry. Sorry, sige. Lalabas na ako. Lalabas na ako kasi no cellphones pala.
Please.
Okay.
And you too.
Ikaw, grabe tong idea mo na to, baby. Ano?
Nakakatirik.
Sama na lang sa bawang. Wow. Wait, guys. Well, it's hot.
Oo nga eh.
Mga reels na yun. Stay try.
Call the kids.
Kuya Akshay. Yung mga dalawang na boys, yung mga in big, yung small, time out.
Oy, time out daw kayo, boys. Di ba
Yeah, we don't.
Teacher, magtagalog.
Kuya Akshay.
Teacher, magtagalog naman tayo ngayon.
Mama, I want it. It's hard. It's so hard eh. Only Kuya Akshay is time out. Okay.
Ba't ako?
He's always lying down.
Ba't ako?
At the floor.
Great Scott!
And then sitting down. Sit down on the floor! Sit down on the floor!
Oh, Axel, sit down. Si Teacher Ace mo tuturo. Teacher, what's our lesson for today?
Skipping the toilet? No. Everyone make puppets now, you know how.
Yeah.
Or...
Yung
Batmobile.
Okay. Where's the toilet, teacher? Where's the toilet? Where? That one, that chair. This one?
teacher,
No.
what's the rule?
This one. Okay.
Ba't nasa toilet ka all along, teacher?
Teacher Ace, what are our rules?
Nasa toilet si Ace kanina. And a puppet and a bobo.
And a bobo?
Ano po?
Jack.
What?
Jack. Teacher Ace. Let's go.
Dito po.
Okay, baby.
Nobody.
Baby, ayos.
Ba't dalawa kayong malungkot doon?
Mag-best friend. Dalawang teacher pa yan.
Sige na, doon ka na lang matulog.
Tralalero, tralala.
Ako gusto nung